Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I have a quick unboxing video, and today we're unboxing the Thinkware Dash Cam hard wiring cable. So I noticed that there's a lot of questions on some of these sites like Amazon and so on, where they're asking, will this work on this dash cam? Will this work on that dash cam? So this pretty much works on any dash cam that Thinkware makes, even though it's not listed on the Amazon website. As long as the plug is the same and the voltage, it'll work. I think the 220, the H50, the F50, the F270 or 770. I don't know all the models, but so far this is the only kit that they sell that's hardwire, and this is the only one that provides the necessary voltage. So we're gonna do a quick unboxing. This is how it comes out of the factory. It's sealed on both ends. I'm gonna open it up real quick. The installation for this is very straightforward. Here we go. So when you unbox it, it comes with instructions. It's in English and in French, and pretty much it's simple. B plus or positive, accessory, and ground. So the continuous power, that would be for the parking mode, and accessory is when you turn the ignition or push start your car, whichever, it'll get power. And here is the kit. So this is what you get. I'm most likely sure these are fuses inside of the kit. Even though when you connect these, you want to add a fuse. This would be ground. This would be going to your constant power source. And this would be going to your accessories. Now, it has this little plastic in here. I'm not sure if this is, yes, this is probably a shrink wrap. So when you attach this, you could probably heat shrink it and be done with that. These are actually extra fuses. We can open these by snapping this back. I'm sure we can. If I can find a way. I'm gonna need something to help me wedge this. Let's see. Okay, let's see. It's really tight in there. So when you open it up, there you go. It is, in fact, a fuse. And these fuses are not welded. This fuse, pretty much, you would take this off and you could slide these off from the fuse. At least that's what it looks like. And then you can replace it. Yeah, there you go. Not only an unboxing, it's a quick kind of in-depth look at how this is set up. So each of the lines have a fuse. The accessory cable and the constant power cable, they both have a fuse, just in case anything goes wrong. And again, you're gonna tap these into your fuse box by using an added fuse, and luckily I have some of those. So there you have it, the Thinkware Dash Cam accessory hard wiring cable. This is what you get out of the box. It's pretty long, and this connector is pretty much standard across all Thinkware models, unless the newer, latest models changed But why would they do that? Then again, they might do that to make more money if you get the newer, more higher end. But from what I've seen, they are all the same connector. So hopefully this is gonna help someone out there pull the trigger and make the purchase. If you're getting a low-end, medium, or high-end Thinkware dash cam and you're thinking of using the hard wiring cable instead of the lighter or power accessory wire that comes with it, then now you have all the information you need. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.